Hello and welcome to BABAKAY'S Kitchen. Today's menu we're going to be fixing ackee, saltfish, and fried plantains. Ackee is a fruit which is grown in West Africa and also the Caribbean islands. It's also the main fruit for Jamaica. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching. For today's ingredients we're going to be using plantains, tomato, half of a yellow and green bell pepper, onion, Pollock saltfish, and ackee, both of which can be found in the international aisle of the Fiesta stores. Garlic, green onion, habaneros, thyme, and also the knorr seasoning. So we're gonna start by boiling the saltfish to get some of the salt out. Some people soak it overnight, but I choose to boil it. It's faster. I'm gonna put 3 cups of water. I'm gonna let it boil for 5 minutes. I'm gonna boil it twice, 5 minutes each. And now I'm gonna drain the water out, the saltfish. I'm gonna rinse it out with a little bit of clean water, and I'm gonna put it to boil again for another 5 minutes. And don't forget to taste to make sure the salt is all the way gone. I'm gonna put it back now to boil for another 5 minutes. I finished washing and draining the saltfish. Remember, you could boil it 3 times, to get the salt out because it's very, very salty. So I'm gonna let it sit and I'm gonna shred it afterwards. So now I'm gonna start making the ackee and saltfish. So I'm gonna heat up my pan for about 1 minute and I put some oil, like half a cup of oil. So I put my half a cup of oil. I'm gonna start by putting the garlic first. Habanero peppers. Green onion. Onion. Bell peppers. The tomato. Knorr seasoning. I'm gonna let this saute for about 6 minutes. So I'm gonna shred the saltfish now. So we're gonna shred the saltfish now. Just gonna shred it into little bits before I put it in the vegetable mix. And also don't forget, for the ackee, when you take it out of the can, always make sure you drain the water out and rinse it up under water. So it's shredded now. So now I'm going to put in the saltfish. This is 2 bags of the saltfish. So it's been sauteing with the saltfish for about 8 minutes. So now I'm gonna put the ackee. This is what the ackee looks like out of the can. So I'm gonna just let it saute for 5 more minutes and it's gonna be ready. So the ackee and saltfish is ready now. The total cook time for this is 30 minutes. So I'm going to show you all how to cut the plantains and get them prepped for frying. You have to cut them in this shape, makes it easier to fry. Not too large. So that's how you cut your plantains. So now I'm going to turn the grease on, vegetable oil. I'm going to let it heat up for about 2 minutes and before I start putting the plantains in. So now I'm going to put the plantains inside. We're gonna let it cook till you get that kind of like golden brown. Then you know it's ready. Make sure your oil is hot before you put it. So when you frying the plantains, always make sure you flip it from side to side. You see how this side is already golden? You gotta flip the other side. And when both sides are the same color, then you know it's ready. This is my finished dish, ackee, saltfish, and fried plantains. This could also be eaten with potatoes, yam, or bake. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and thank you all for watching.